In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a power liftgate actuator on your Toyota Highlander, located on the rear gate. Open the rear liftgate. Using a small pry tool or pocket screwdriver, pop this back door trim panel off. I'm going to give this wire a little wiggle. Find that it's this connector. Push down on this tab. Release the connector, and then go to the outside. With the connector disconnected, we can pull this rubber grommet through and have the connector come out. Now we'll remove these two 10mm bolts. Once you remove both sets of bolts off of both brackets, be ready to hold the tailgate by hand because it is heavy and one strut will not hold it up. I'm using a pull jack to hold up the rear gate while I finish this. I'm going to use a wire wheel now to clean off all of the old thread locker on this. Now that I've cleaned off all the bolts, I'm going to apply just a little bit of thread locker to them. And do this on all 4 bolts, and then they'll be ready to install. I'm going to clean the area under the brackets, get all the sand and dirt out of there so it has a nice sealing surface. I'm going to do the same thing on the other one. Put up the new bracket. Install the bolts. Do the same thing on the other bracket. Make sure you have it facing the right way. Go ahead and snug those bolts down. Now we're going to torque these bolts to 71 inch-pounds. Do the same thing on the other bracket. Torque them to 71 inch-pounds. Install the rubber stopper into the liftgate bracket. Grab your Liftgate Actuator and pop it onto the ball. And do the same thing to the top. Insert the connector into the hole and fish it down. Take this grommet and fit it up in. Should seal nicely. You can give it a little pull, make sure it's not going to come out. Reconnect the connector. Push in and hear a click. Grab the trim piece. Put these hooks in first. Swing up. And then push in. You might need to give it a little tap. Remove the hood support, holding up the rear tailgate. And then to initialize the system, do not press the button. Pull down on the tailgate, and it should close by itself. Once you hear it lock, go ahead and give it a test. And then you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.